Toolhead Camera Replacement Guide for the X2D.
Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance.
Remove the Toolhead camera.
Open the printhead front cover, press the connector latch, and gently pull it perpendicular to the connector to unplug the cable. Then, remove the front cover.
Use an H1.5 Allen key to remove the 4 screws on each side of the Toolhead rear cover.
Gently wiggle the Toolhead rear cover to loosen the locking tabs. Avoid excessive force to prevent tab breakage. Then remove the Toolhead rear cover. If available, use tweezers for the following steps. Reach to the rear of the toolhead and disconnect the auxiliary right hot end cooling fan cable. Carefully pull open the locking tab on the camera's FPC cable connector. Ensure the cable is aligned so the pins are not rubbing against any internal components. Next, pry open the camera cover lid starting from the bottom right corner of the toolhead. Once the lid is removed, you will see 2 screws. Use an H1.5 hex key to remove them. Finally, carefully move the camera and its FPC cable outward to fully remove the unit from the toolhead. Install the toolhead camera. Carefully push the FPC cable through the gap beneath the toolhead toward its connector. Align the camera bracket with the mounting holes. Then, use your H1.5 hex key to tighten the 2 fixing screws. Connect the cables. Insert the camera's FPC cable into the connector, ensuring it is perfectly aligned before closing the locking tab. Reconnect the auxiliary cooling fan cable. Ensure the connector is fully seated to avoid any cooling errors during your next print. Once secure, snap the camera cover back into place. Then, install the toolhead rear cover. Align it with the assembly and press firmly, ensuring all locking tabs are properly engaged. Once seated, secure the 4 screws on the sides. Install the toolhead front cover assembly. Take the connector extending from the extruder connection board and plug it into the port located on the toolhead front cover. Then close the cover, adjust until the magnets snap into place.